it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to make someone an admin on Telegram. So let's get started. Well, here after getting the app, I'm gonna first choose a random group. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now to add an admin, we're gonna tap on the name of the group from the top left corner. And as you see here, there's 2 members in this group. Now we're gonna tap on this little pencil icon. And as you see here, we have administrators, so tap on him. Here I am the admin of this group, and here it says you can add admins to help you manage your group, so press and hold to remove them. Now to add an admin, just tap on add admin and just select the person you want. And these are the rights that this admin can do, so he can change the group info, he can delete messages, ban users, invite user via link, manage live stream, pin messages, add new admins, and remain anonymous. And of course you decide what he can and cannot do in this group. So for example, if you don't want him to ban users, then you can just toggle this off. If you want him to delete messages, toggle it on, and you can make the modification or that you want. And now once you're done, then just tap on the check mark at the top right corner. And like that, as you see here, this user has been added as an admin. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.